Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Bandit, Bluey's dad, and he's going to be dancing. We are going to start with a thick eyebrow that looks like a bean. Under it, we are going to draw a large circle for the eye. A small part of it will be hidden behind the eyebrow. Then draw a line inside the eye near the middle. Under this line, make a smaller circle, partially hidden behind that line. Make a small horizontal line coming out from the eye. Over it, make a half circle. Then repeat the same steps of the first eye to make the second. Draw another thick eyebrow over the eye, just to make it slightly higher than the first one. Then we are going to draw a triangular shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflections. Make a curved line coming out from the nose to make a smiley mouth. On the right side, we are going to draw the arm. Finish the arm with a few small curved lines to make the hand. Draw a big rectangular shape, intersecting the eyebrows, the nose, and the arm to make Bandit's body. Decorate the body with a curved line around the eye. A couple of curved lines on the nose part. And two square shapes on the belly. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now make the arm coming out from the other side and finish it with Bandit's hand. That looks like he's doing a high five. Now we are going to draw the left leg by drawing two straight lines tilted to the sides and finish it with the paw. Making two small lines for the toes. To draw the other leg, draw two curved lines, then finish them with a paw as well. Decorate the arms and the legs with a line in the middle. Draw the tail partially hidden behind the right leg. And decorate it with a line in the middle. Draw the first ear by making a triangular shape on the top and another smaller one inside. Repeat the same steps to make the other ear. Just make it partially hidden behind the eyebrow. Awesome! Now you can draw Bandit! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To make Bandit's hair, pick a white pen or pencil and make some white lines on the head, nose, back, and tail. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.